Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen supplement at home. First, gather your main ingredients, about 2 to 3 pounds of high-quality animal bones, like beef knuckles or chicken feet. You'll also need a large stock pot, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and plenty of filtered water. This simple preparation ensures you're ready for the next steps in creating your homemade collagen. Now place your bones into the large stock pot and cover them completely with filtered water. Add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract the collagen. Bring the pot to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Let it cook gently for a minimum of 12 hours, or up to 24 hours, to ensure all the beneficial collagen is released. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain. Carefully pour the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean, heat-safe container. This separates the rich liquid from the cooked bones and any other solids. Discard the solids, then let the strained liquid cool down completely at room temperature before moving to the next step. After cooling, your homemade collagen should have a jiggly, gelatinous texture. This indicates a successful extraction. Transfer it into airtight containers and store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep fresh for about 5 days. For longer preservation, you can freeze individual portions in ice cube trays, which will last for up to 3 months. Enjoy your natural supplement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.